Business Membership. The business membership is a system that rewards dealers and returning customers. Depending on the type of customer you are, you unlock a different type of membership, depending on the amount of vehicles you buy throughout the year. These memberships unlock special discounts, unique perks, and benefits. Basic membership. This one is available for every customer who signs up and registers an account in Autowini.com. There are not many perks in this type of membership, but you get 10 booking requests per day. The Silver membership is the first upgrade to the basic system. This one has a requirement of 10 units purchased throughout the year. This one includes 3 months of unlimited self-booking, and you can download an amount of 10 photos without watermark. Now, all customers with this type of membership get an access to a $50 discount per every unit they purchase in Autowini, and you get a maximum of 20 booking requests per day. Gold membership is the first upgrade in Silver. This one has a requirement of 30 units a year, and it also includes 5 months of complete self-booking. This also unlocks the priority shipping, which will help you to make sure that the car is shipped in priority against other members, and also unlocks $100 discounts per unit. This one also allows a maximum of 30 bookings requests per day. The Platinum membership is the upgrade from Gold, and this one has a requirement of 60 units purchased throughout the year. This unlocks 7 months of self-booking, also allowing the priority shipping, and it also offers a much higher discount as $125 discounts per unit. This one, also part of a Gold, reduces the amount of cost of the inspections that you can get from Autowini. And finally, we have the Diamond membership. As this is the highest tier of membership, this one has a requirement of 120 units purchased throughout the year. This one opens up 10 months of self-booking, also includes the priority shipping, more importantly, includes a $150 discount per car purchased. Also allows the downloading of 30 photos without watermark per month. If you want to know more about all the types of memberships and how you can get them or get a trial in certain cases, you can always reach our staff and get in contact with Autowini. For anything else, stay tuned. Thank you.
Autowini.